A blast from the past here at Dixie Speedway. Let's see if he still got it. Oh, they're going to town here tonight here at Dixie Speedway. Don Jenkins in the Triple Deuce car. Rusty Hatfield, the usual driver of that car. I don't know if maybe Don had problems, but anyway, he's behind the wheel of that Triple Deuce car. And I'm telling you what, these cars a little bit quicker than you Super Bombers. Smith and Fennell down on the backside. And Fennell got some problems. He falls back to third. Jimmy Price out of Oxford in that 79. Fennell, he recovers real quick, but I don't know. I think the damage has already been done as he is in that third position. Car number 14 out on the track right now. Kenneth Pitney out of Dallas. Now, he had issues during qualifying. Looks like he's got him pretty well squared away right now. Boy, I tell you what, Don Jenkins loves that high side. How about super late models in the pit area? Super late models in the pit. Like Chris Peters out of Dallas. He'll pull her into the pit area and call it a night. So does Scott Hall in the 85 car. He's definitely got some issues. Austin Smith out of Floyd County doing the do here tonight at Dixie Speedway in our Steelhead late model feature. Don Jenkins along with that number 17 of Tom Watson, and Jenkins got some problems and he wisely pulls off on the high side over in turn number 3 and 4. So caution flag being displayed. Don't know what kind of issues he has. Chris Peters, he's coming back out. Going to green. Fennell gets up into the marbles and he slides back to that number 5 spot. I don't know what happened on that deal. But Bobby Tucker out of Dawsonville, Georgia, working hard. Jimmy Price in that number 79. He in the number 3 car. That is Clay Joseph out of Galesville. And Fennell trying to go to the high side, trying to make up at least for a couple of spots. Tell you what, Austin Smith like he is on a rail. Fennell going to be able to do it. I tell you what, Kenneth Pendley in that number 14 car, boy, he had all kinds of issues in qualifying, but looks like whatever happened between qualifying and the feature, he's got it pretty well squared away right now. Car running a whole lot better than it was. Is look at the two cars, the 79 and the 3, battling for that number 3 position as they cross the stripe, and Chris Fennell, he's got the best seat in the house. White flag coming down for Austin Smith out of Rome, Georgia, as he takes the wheel up on the high side. Checkered flag in hand of our flagman, Jason Green, as Austin Smith taking the win here tonight at Dixie Speedway. Bobby Tucker, he'll come around. He'll take the checkers for second. Then comes Clay Joseph in the number 3. Then